there's so many solutionists around the world, especially in the global south. And, my family's from the Philippines, and, they're on the front lines of the climate crisis. And the thing is, you don't really hear those stories, right? And, as much as we love a good susty fit or living more eco-friendly, at the end of the day, it comes down to survival, adaptation, and resilience for so many communities around the world that it's not a trendy thing, it's actually survival. And I think it doesn't really get recognized that way, that communities on the ground within their own context have the solutions. And it's just a matter of the need of funding, resource redistribution, and the need of power redistribution to be able to bring that funding. And we recognize that in the recent climate negotiations with COP27 with the Loss and Damage Fund, but that took my whole lifetime. I was born in 1995. And it took this long for even these little pennies for a loss and damage fund. So it's how is the funding going to the communities on the ground that have those stories and solutions? And I think that's how you combat climate doom, because you're actually seeing those resources going to those communities in the context that they need for them to implement those strategies. We don't need any more white savior, these communities need to be saved. These communities are saving themselves every single day, and they're coming up with the solutions right now. So how are we supporting them as allies on the ground and empowering them to have the voice and the agency to take up those spaces?